Hey guys, it's me Jaycee. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be reviewing a product from Blitzwolf. This is the BW FYE4. Now before I start this video, I would like to thank the guys at Banggood for sending me this product. If you have noticed lately, I have been reviewing a lot of wireless earphones. It's because I have been looking for the best one out there on a budget, but I haven't really had the luck yet to find myself the one that I've been looking for. But that might change today with this BW FYE4. I think Blitzwolf could make a better name, but hey, it's here. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Now this is not gonna be a full review again, but I'm still gonna be covering a lot of basic things. The full review might be out after a couple of days, but if you guys have any questions, leave them down below. Okay, we have here the manual. It comes in English and Chinese. Let's put that on the side, and we have here a warranty card, so that's good. Let's put that right there. And we have here another box. I'm assuming, yep, you've already guessed it, a charging cable. Now this one is micro USB, so not a big of a deal considering the price of this product. And also we have an extra ear tips. We have here two sets, so I'm guessing that the medium is already installed here. Let's get this out of the box, move that away, and we got here the product itself. That's the Blitzwolf BW FYE4, and that's a mouthful. So there's the logo on front, and we got here at the back the charging port, micro USB. This is made out of plastic, but it does feel good to the hand. It has this metallic finish. I don't know if you can see that, but it's fairly good. It doesn't look that bad at all. Now there is this gap here. I just noticed this now, but there is this gap here. It's uneven, so right here is much bigger, but this is the product itself. Before we try it on, inside still plastic, and it's not charged. What the heck? So let's go back in a few minutes. I'm just gonna be charging this. So I got here my charger, and I just want to show you guys what it looks like when it's charging. This is a battery indicator, but when it's charging, it's also serving as a charging indicator. While it's charging, let's go ahead and compare the size. This is the Xiaomi AirDots Pro, so here is what it looks like. It's taller, but it's much more slimmer. I'm guessing this is gonna be much more easier to put in your pocket. This is what it looks like side by side with the AirDots suit. As you can see, the AirDots suit is much more smaller and slimmer on both sides, except on the thickness, because the Blitzwolf is still much slimmer. Let's go ahead and compare the size of the earbuds. This is much smaller, but when you look at the other side, it's much thicker than the AirDots. Still has a plastic here. Let's remove that as well. They both have yellow tape. Since we removed the tape, it is now charging on the charging case. It's showing red. So according to the manual, that the left earbud will be connecting to the right earbud, and it will also automatically turn on when you remove them in the box or in the case. The buttons here has a switch icon, which is weird considering that it automatically turns on when you remove them, so there's really not much need for that to be there. Let's go ahead and pair this to my phone. So when you remove this out of the case, it automatically showed on my device, so that's good. Hopefully I don't need to tinker around and pair this to each other. The left one or the right one is blinking. Wait, right, this is right. That is a great fit. That is a great fit. I really like the fit. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it has a smaller tips than the AirDots suit, which makes it go much deeper inside my ear, and I can feel that it's really secure there. So let's go ahead and listen to some music. So what good is an earphone if you can't listen to music? Okay, we are now connected, and according to my device, we have 90% of battery. I think they shipped this charge, so let's go ahead and listen to some music. Ooh, let's try another one. Oh, let's test the controls, because that's the part where I'm really interested in. It's really weird because if you have earphones, you're probably more interested in the sound, but for me, I've tested a lot of budget earphones and they are all lacking control, so hopefully this one does the job. Let's go ahead and press this once. There you go. It's playing. Let's go ahead and press this twice. There you go. Did you see that? It changed music. That's what I'm talking about. Hello, Xiaomi. Can you do that with your AirDots lineup? Geez, is that really that hard? So let's do the last one, the previous track. Oh, there you go. Again. 1, 2, 3. There you go. It's going back now. So that's amazing. Let's go ahead and test the latency of these earphones. Now I have this really weird way of testing latency. There is a video here in YouTube. If you also have an earphones, do go ahead and just search audio latency on YouTube and you can actually just choose any one of these videos here and you're good to go. For you guys to see if there's any latency, I'm gonna be showing the video and I'm gonna be pointing the buds to the microphone that I have here. So there is no noticeable latency in my side here. I'm gonna be showing you the test itself. So there you go. Let's talk about the sound. Do I like the sound? In my opinion, yes. This has a better sound, in my opinion, than the Redmi AirDots. And also the size. I like the size and the shape of the case. I think I can easily put this in my pocket without any issues compared to the AirDots Pro, which is really chunky and big. And I also like the fit. I think this is the first true wireless stereo earphones that I have that fits my ear perfectly and snugly. I think I can run with this, but I don't see any IP rating here, so I might have to see or test that in the next video. So that's it for this video. This is the Blitzwolf FYE4. If you like this, go ahead and click like. If you dislike this video, you know what to do. If you're not already, go ahead and subscribe. Click the bell icon as well. And that's it for today's video. See you on the next one. Peace.